Hi! In front of me is Samsung Galaxy Flip5, and today I would like to show you how you can operate split screen view. Firstly, open one of your apps that you wish to use in this view and access it in the background thanks to this button with 3 lines. Now tap on the icon of your app and select Open in Split Screen View from the list. Now just select the other app, in my case Chrome. As you can see, after that, I can use both of them at the same time. If you wish to go back from this mode, drag one of your apps all the way up or all the way down, let go and click on Home button. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!